welcome on board our ship. It's called Store Klaus. It stands for Stomach Announcements. Our captain's name is Janus and my name is Midas, and I'm here to help you with the audio guide, and then I'll warn about the bridges when we sail underneath them. So we sail with 2 departure points, which means that later on the tour at this time we will leave some passengers off there, and then we will continue back here to Nyhavn. So if you started here, you will also end here. And the audio, it will start after the bridge, but you can prepare for it while plugging the headphones into the box. You have 4 buttons on the box. The 2 left side buttons are volume buttons. They need a slow, firm push, and then it will change volume. And the program buttons need a fast tap. They are on the right side. We have 6 languages to choose from. Program 1 is Danish, 2 is English, 3 French, 4 Spanish, program 5 is Italian, and program 6 is German. And once we have sailed underneath the bridge, I will do a check-up run to make sure everything works well. And it's a bridge, so please remain seated. Thank you. This is the lowest bridge of our tour.